Nancy, I wanted to take this short video here because just to show you the roof. I know you was concerned about it a little bit more, especially on the structure of it. So I just wanted to take some. I took a lot of pictures, but I wanted to take this video too, just so I could show you. But it looks pretty good to me. Looks all straight and everything it should be. I want to show you here. You talked about the porch and the pop out for the porch here. So I just wanted to show you. You know, the planes on it and everything, they all look straight. They look like what they need to be. Here, I'll try and see if I can't get a little bit better angle. See, if you look at just the plane of the main part, the main roof for over the main of the house, and then for the porch here, and it's not sagging down or anything. It's just all straight in line and plain. So I mean, so that's good as far as that goes. Again, I'm trying to get it to where it might make sense here in the video. And then yeah, it looks like there's a new layer of shingles. There is I see at least 2 layers, and on some parts of it it looks like it could be 3, but yeah, but this layer here, it does look fresh. Then yeah, like I said, there's the whole roof there. And then again, here is the you know, we're over the porch section here. And like I said, everything is good and plain, so don't have any sagging or anything falling out, so I'd say it's good to go. Okay, here we got the other side of the I just wanted to demonstrate the other side of the porch roof here. And you see how you got the wall going up, the wall, and then the porch pops out, and then, you know, everything is nice and square. There's no nothing sagging or leaning down or anything like that, so that all looks good. So see here. Okay, I wanted to show you another thing. I'm trying to get a look up under here, which is kind of hard to see, but I already looked. And we wanted to check and make sure there was metal flashing up under there, and there is. I don't know if you can see it there, but there's some metal flashing under there. So that's going to go all the way up this face of the roof here. So, you know, that's the other side of this porch roof here. Unfortunately, we got all this snow here, so I mean, I couldn't climb up there and look, but I mean, really, we can see everything we need to see on this side, and then we'll get in the attic and take a look also. But that's for the rest of the porch, as far as the porch roof. And then we got the rest of the front of the house here. And it all looks good, like I said. And then with the snow, it's hard to tell, but I mean, it looks like it's all the same shingle job there. And then it's the same, you know, we got 2 layers of shingles here. So okay, also I just wanted to show you the underside of the porch here. It's all good. Okay, and finally here I just wanted to show the back side of the roof here. So we've seen all the other sides, so this is the only side that's left. Again, we can see the shingles and everything here a lot better, and yeah, I'm pretty confident that they look like new shingles. There's no wear, anything like that. So it's got all the gravel there. It's not faded at all. So I mean, yeah, I would say that it's pretty new. Okay, here we are inside the attic. Everything looks good and dry. I see what you was talking about as far as having any kind of access over the vaulted ceiling there. But here we can still see enough. There was a few things that, that I'm always want to be sure to check. And of course, first being structure. Everything is, let's get over here. Everything looks straight and square, like it needs to be. This again is over that the vaulted ceiling in the living room. But everything, like I said, everything looks good and straight. Another thing I look for is ventilation. And of course you got your box vents, like this one here, which they got a duct running out of it, but there's several around. And then there are soffit vent traps or trays, which is particularly, there goes one. And that's particularly necessary over the vaulted ceilings. So that's a good sign. And then the final thing is just normal moisture indicators, I don't know if perhaps they had replaced the decking on this side, but this decking looks a little bit newer than the decking over here. But it's all in good shape. There's no abnormal wear by any means. All looks pretty good. Then we got this area over here is another vaulted ceiling over the master bedroom. And again, all the framing structure of it's good and straight and solid. Try and get over here. So, again, I was just trying to give you a little bit of a shot or view of the attic here. It's kind of hard walking around and trying to hold this camera at the same time. But yeah, but like I said, it's all, it's all in good shape. Okay, we're inside the house here. This is here in the living room. The ceiling looks good and dry. Those spots there are spots where the wood, knot holes in the wood, soaked up the extra paint. Well, not extra paint, but they soaked up the paint. But really, I mean, everything, there's no sign of any kind of water leaks or, water intrusion, any kind of water damage. So, I mean, it all looks pretty good. There's nothing really to report. There's this little area here, but that's just look like they, pretty much patched it up. But when the weather gets cold like this, sometimes, especially if it's fresh work, it'll crack a little bit. But like I said, it looks like they patched it up. But like I said, for the important part is there's no water leaks, so it all looks really good. There you go.